Good morning. So this is just going to be a little quick, quick walkthrough for Canvas for our class this term. So this is English Comp II. I am a professor, Catherine Young. I have been teaching at Northwest Florida now. This is my second year. Um, I graduated from Lindenwood University with my master's in fine arts. And I have been teaching composition one and two for 7 years. Um, Previously living in St. Louis, Missouri before moving down to Florida. In this class, we're going to cover fiction, poetry, and drama. Class discussion is strongly encouraged as different perspectives bring literature to life just a bit more. The big project for this term will be an analytical research essay on two poems of your choice, and you'll be asked to explore the poems and write an in-depth analysis of your choosing. With class discussions, primarily class discussions will be had on discussion boards where we will all kind of give our perspectives on the different fiction stories that you select, as well as poems and as well as the play. There will be a few quizzes on the readings. The discussion posts a rough draft, an outline, and two tests in which you'll be asked to analyze fiction stories in the play. There is a tentative schedule on Canvas for an overview of what will be covered weekly. And then always keep in mind that some of the literature we read contains topics and language that some may find uncomfortable. If there is something that you're uncomfortable with, just please let me know. That way I can modify and pick out something that best represents you. So going on to the home page, here we are. We have the Zoom link right here. The Zoom link is where you can meet for office hours. All you have to do is just let me know. If you prefer to have to meet up in person, that is fine as well. Just let me know and we'll schedule up a time and we can meet on campus. Let's see here. Every week I will post an announcement, kind of reminding about what's due that particular week. As you can see with this particular week, I have included that whichever module is live, as well as if there's a quiz or not, as well as discussion boards. So always be sure to check the announcements page. This right here is the syllabus. It showcases the different ways in which I grade assignments and gives all of the information that you need as far as make of my phone, my email, anytime that I can meet, student learning outcomes, as well as the course materials, which I do believe I already informed everyone on. Class attendance. I'm just expecting you to participate regularly. If there is something that happens or something that comes up, please just let me know. Let's see here. Here is the grading schemes and procedures all the way down the list of how I rate everything. Everything will be submitted by a Turnitin. I will accept late submissions. I respond to emails within 24 hours during weekdays, but honestly, I have notifications on my phone, so anytime I get an email, I'm pretty quick to respond. So if you have something that you want to discuss or anything, just send me an email and we will take care of it. Everything on Canvas is used for the class. So, for instance, what I mean by that is every week I kind of have like a little module for what we'll be doing that week. And everything's listed, the dates will be listed, different PowerPoints, different things will highlight. But every week will be like listed on the modules board. And here is the tentative schedule for the term. Tentative being if we need to extend or alter the schedule at any point, I have no problem doing so. As you can see, pretty much everything is due by Sunday. The only difference would be like discussion posts. A lot of the discussion posts will be due on Friday. That way you can have respond to classmates' responses on by Sunday by midnight. Um, the rough draft, poetry paper rough draft. If you took me for 1101, then you know my feedback plans. If you have yet to take my class, anytime you submit a rough draft, I go through and provide feedback on that rough draft in order for you to um, get the I guess the best points possible, but also learn from little things that we sometimes miss as writers. Um, and then all the way through down to week 12 when the drama test slash final assignment is due August the 7th by midnight. There will not be a final for this class, so no reason to worry about anything for finals week. I do believe that is it. The grades are all posted on the grades. Discussion boards will be posted. Everything will have dates for when everything's due. If you have any questions while you're going over all of this, please do not hesitate to let me know, and we'll get you going. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I look forward to reading some of your analysis.